sweeties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Paulette and I upload about beauty, skincare, unboxing, recipes, a little bit of everything. So if you're new, I would love for you to become part of my Sweet Squad family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. So today I have my very first Liveglam package. And, if you're not familiar with it, it is a beauty subscription and it comes in 3 categories. There's the KissMe subscription, which is $19.99, and that's the one I currently have right here. And there's another category, which is the Me, which they launch a couple of brushes, and if you don't have brushes, this is a good way for you to get a couple of brushes that are good quality. And then they have the Shadow Me subscription, which is a good way for you to start collecting your eyeshadows. So each month they kind of partner up with some beauty gurus that we all know and love. And this month they happen to partner up with none other than Amanda Pena. And if you're not familiar with them, she is such a great YouTuber. Her personality, she's so kind and fun to watch. So if you haven't heard about her, you should definitely check her channel. And yeah, so that is the collaboration this month. And as you know, this is the month of love, so of course they had to do a couple of things that were related to Valentine's Day. So they have a little card to include in this collection, and you see the beautiful Amanda. Her collection is called Smooches and Cream, and this is for the month of February. And if you are wanting to get this collection, it is still available, and I will link the link below if you're interested. And if I find a coupon code or a gift for you, I will link it below. And yeah, so it comes with 3 lipsticks. Well, actually not, well, usually it's 3 lipsticks, but this one came with 2 lipsticks and a lip balm. So the first one from this, oh, and it comes with this beautiful satin bag, little pouch for you to put your makeup. And you could probably use this for some jewelry, or, you know, if you want to travel, it's a good little pouch. So the first one from the collection is called Let's Make Out, and it is supposed to be matte orange, a very unique matte orange. So I'm excited to swatch it on swatch time, and I will be trying all of them on for you. So yeah, so this one definitely caught my attention when I saw the collection. I was like, wow, this looks really pretty. And the next one in the collection is called Cuddle Me, and it looks like it's going to be a romantic matte red. And I mean, who doesn't love a red matte lipstick? I'm more into matte versus the glossier lipsticks, so I am excited for that one. And last but not least, from this collection, we have the lip balm, which is called Lickable, and it is actually a lip balm that is tinted with a hint of pink. So I dig that, and it is such a pretty packaging with little hearts. And yeah, and all of them retail for like $10. Again, this is $19.99, so you do save some money, and the shipping is free. And because this is my first Liveglam bag, I did get a gift, and it is called Glam Rock, which is another red lippy. But this one, I'm not sure if it's glossy. I'm not familiar with this from the collection that it came from, but I will be doing swatches and trying them on for you. So yeah, I'm excited. So let me know in the comments below if you are already a subscriber to Liveglam, and if you are, which one are you? Are you the Kiss Me, Shadow Me, or the Morphe Me? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear that. So let's get on to swatch time. Alright, so it is swatch time. So the first one on your right, it is the Let's Make Out, which is a unique matte orange, and it is definitely unique, very matte. And the second one is Cuddle Me, which is a beautiful red, and it is also matte. I love that one out of the collection. And the third one is the lip balm, which is called Lickable, and it has a cute hint of pink. It is such a comfortable lip balm. It is not sticky at all. It is something that I will definitely be carrying with me on my purse. That way, if I ever feel like my lips are dry, I'm going to be applying this. And then the last one, it is not from the collection, but it is the free gift, and it is the Glam Rock, and it is a very super glossy red lipstick, and it is not my favorite, I must say. But yes, this is it for swatch time. Alright, so I'm going to be trying on the lightest one from the collection, which is the lip balm, and it feels very soft. Does not feel sticky at all. And you can see a little tiny hint of pink. It's not too pinky. You can definitely feel the lips being moist. And it's not sticky at all. I do like this one. It feels very comfortable. So yeah, so this is the first one from the collection, which again, it is lip balm and it is called Lickable. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Let's Make Out and trying it on for you guys. Oh, can definitely see the orange. Not an orange that I currently own. The brush is pretty soft. The formula is really soft. I've never owned, well, I actually do own the collection by Lexi from Let's Do Makeup. It's not coming out perfect. I think I need my lip liner. And definitely not a color that I expected. I expected it to be a little bit lighter. I'm not mad at it. Definitely different, out of my comfort zone. But I don't know, I expected like a peachy type of orange. And this one is kind of like a little bit in your face type of orange. But I'm not mad at it. It's actually pretty. But yeah, I'll do a close-up. So now we're going to try on Cuddle Me from the collection, Smooches and Cream. Such a vivid red so far. I really like the formula, it's so soft. Not sticky. It glides on so smoothly. This is such a pretty red. And there you have it, Cuddle Me. So the last one I'll be trying on is not from this collection, but it was a free gift that they offer for new subscribers to Liveglam. And I chose the Glam Rock, which is a red. I'm going to try it on for you. That way, if you do get to decide, maybe you might want this one. But let's see how it looks. So I already can tell that is a glossy red, which is different from Cuddle Me. Cuddle Me is more matte. I don't gravitate towards glossy lipsticks. They're not my jam. Okay. They're not my jam. I don't like the gloss look. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but it's not something that I would like grab and go. So I might have to pass it along because I'm not digging it. I think my favorite finish is the matte or the satin, but not the gloss. I don't like glosses. Super shiny. It's not something that I like, but it doesn't look super bad, but not my jam. So if you're considering this, I believe most of the gifts are glosses, But this is the one I picked up, which is Glam Rock, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so that was it for the unbagging. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is from the Liveglam Kiss Me collection with Amanda Pena, and it's from the Smooches and Cream collection, and it is going to be available up until February 22nd, so you do have enough time to get yours. And I do love, I really loved the Cuddle Me. That was my favorite from the collection. And then my second favorite was Lickable, which is the lip balm with the tinted pink. And then I wasn't too like whoa about the Let's Make Out. I thought it was a little bit too bright for me, but you know, I do like it still. But it's not something that I will reach constantly. It would have to be summer, and I would have to like want a pop of color. So yeah, that's the Let's Make Out. So I did like this collection. I'm so happy that I got it. I was contemplating, and I'm happy that I ended up getting it. And again, this is $19.99. However, if you do use my link below, you can sign up and get a free gift, which the gift that I got was the Glam Rock. I'm not sure from what collection it was, but yeah, you get like a few choices. You don't have to choose this one. There's other lipstick, but this one was not too out of my comfort zone because I did see like a green one and I saw like a black one, so I went with the red one because I'm like, I'm not sure about the other ones. So yes, so I hope you enjoyed my unbagging, and let me know if you are part of the Liveglam subscription. I would love to hear how long you've been subscribed to them, because this is my first subscription with them. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue. I would have to wait and see who they collaborate with. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to become part of my Sweet Squad family. And I will see you next time, and as my daughter says, our heart for you. Bye.